Dubai has a law that sounds perfect on paper. Schools cannot reject your child just because they have special educational needs. But if you're watching this, you know the reality. You're getting ghosted. You're hearing things like, "We'll review next term," or the classic, "We're currently full." Here's the truth no one tells you. The law isn't the gate. The admissions policy isn't the gate. The real gate is operational risk. Most parents walk into these tours playing a game they don't understand. In this video, I'm giving you the 3-part framework to stop being a waitlist statistic and start getting real offers from schools. Every Dubai school follows the KHDA inclusion framework, but admissions teams don't admit students based on these frameworks. They admit based on capacity constraints. Think of a school like a premium airline. They have 100 seats, but only 4 inclusion seats. Now, why is that? Because support actually depends on factors like the literal headcount of learning support assistants, the complexity of the current students in that specific year group, and the strain your child's profile puts on the teacher's timetable. So when you hear things like, "We are currently full," it's often a soft no. If a school isn't 100% confident they can support your child without breaking their system, they will default to the answer no to protect their rating. It's not personal, it's just operational. Inclusion isn't a single setting because it's really a spectrum. One child might need light literacy support, whereas another might need full-time one-on-one emotional regulation. So stop listening to other parents who say, "This school is amazing for SEN." I mean, it might be amazing for their child's profile, but it might be a total mismatch for yours. Schools are looking at 4 things. 1, can your child work independently? 2, what is their baseline language level? 3, do they need sensory regulation? 4, how much adult assistance is required on a daily basis? If you ask, "Do you support SEN?" the answer is always going to be yes. So instead, you have to ask, "Can you support this specific profile?" This is your admissions filter. Do not waste 500 dirhams on an application fee unless you ask these 5 questions. 1, what level of needs can you support in this specific year group right now? This forces them to admit if that grade is currently capped. Number 2, is the rejection based on capacity or fit? If they answer capacity, that means wait. If they answer fit, it means move on immediately. How many LSAs or learning support assistants do you have for this specific phase, whether it's primary or secondary? Are your assistants dedicated or shared? This is crucial for high needs profiles. And number 5, what does a typical week of support look like? Is it 1 hour of pull-out sessions or is it a daily push-in? Now here's a pro tip. Ask if there is a separate SEN waitlist. Being on the general list is often a complete dead end. How do you actually get the answer yes from the school? Step 1, the support snapshot. Stop sending 40-page medical reports first. Rather, send a 1-page document in executive summary that says their strengths, the triggers, and what works for your child. Because ambiguity equals rejection. Clarity equals confidence. Step 2, the pipeline strategy. You have to apply to 4 schools. 1 is your stretch school, your dream school that you want to get into. You have to apply to 2 realistic, strong inclusion reputation schools, and then a 1 safety school that has proven capacity. Remember, inclusive is a marketing term. Capacity is the reality. So let's get your child the seat that they deserve at the school that fits them. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe. I'm Hannah, and I'll see you in the next one.